Hi guys, let's create a new project. Tap on this button. Select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our main project. Tap on the top right button. Aspect ratio. From the bottom, for YouTube Short or TikTok, 9:16. Select the layer. Pinch in or out to adjust the size and position. Tap on this button to add a keyframe. Then move forward slowly. Add some fake keyframes if there is no change. This will help us to keep the subject at the center. Tap on the same button to remove any wrong keyframes. And that's it. Now just export it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.